so cold right now. I don't know why it's so cold. It's like, it's sunny, but it's a bit cloudy too. And I'm just freezing. Here's a cold start. Whew. This car's actually pretty loud for like how small it is. Anyways, yeah, I'm heading out. I'm just waiting for this to warm up a bit, and then I'm gonna head over to Thomas's place. We're just gonna install this Mugen front lip because I want to get that done ASAP. The other day as well, my Broadway mirror came in. It looks way better. It's like wider as well, so I can actually have a full view of my rear, and it shakes less because the previous mirror in the back, I don't know if y'all can see it, but around here it wasn't, I don't know if it's like bolted right or just something about it just was making the whole thing shake. But yeah, this is good. I think we need to start, like, we need to sort of stretch it. I was told anyways that because this Mugen lip here is for an EG Civic, and it can fit onto the Del Sol, but it takes some working out to deal with, because what happens is one side fits on, but then the other side comes up to like over here. So we need to work something out. Hopefully we can make it work. Hopefully. Okay, ready, set, go. Is yours on? No. Wait, go back out. Okay, on the edge? Yeah. Wait, pull left a bit. Okay, ready, set, go. Mine's in. Yours not? I think I can get it in. Yeah. Okay. Is yours in? Yeah. Oh, it fit. I'm just gonna push this in. Yeah. Wait, let go. It's like stretching though. Look, it comes out. Yeah. Oh, it actually looks nice. Yeah. Damn, that suits. And then, look, it's not on completely, but we just stretched it out so it actually fit. And then we're gonna get OEM side skirts fitted later on. I reckon it's gonna look mint. Yeah. Damn! Damn, at least we know it fits. Yeah. That thing again. Wait, make sure it clips on the top there. Yeah. Ready, set, go. Yours in? Yeah. Yours fit? Yeah. Oh, what happened? It popped out. Okay, do it again. Okay, yours is like a bit on the edge, right? Like it's half a centimeter. Yeah, same. Okay, this is what I do when I say, as soon as we say go, yeah, just push like towards the edge. Oh. Okay, ready, set, go. Wait. In? Yeah. Oh, lucky. But it's gonna pop out. Yeah. So it's like we have to hold it, eh? Yeah. Wait, how do we hold it? Oh look, it holds if I let go. As long as you don't pull it. Huh? Okay. Yeah, you let go? Yeah. I let go. Don't pull. Oh, what the hell? Not clamping? Bro, it's broken. Oh wait.
Okay, that should hold.
This is how we're holding it on for now, because it's really stretched. Because, like I said, it's a Pacific lip, and we're trying to fit it as much as we can on here by squeezing it like that. But so far, so good.
Alright, so now that we know it works, do you want to just
Feel it?
Can you take it off just a bit?
Oh shit! Oh, that's really stretched though.
You got it? That's one.
Oh, there's one. Got it. Okay, ready? Wait, you push from there and I'll do this. Try to push like the bumper to it as well, like this. See? Like that, like grab it from underneath and actually squeeze it together.
Yeah.
And like this, I'll do this.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. And then you just drill like right underneath. Wait, yeah, right there. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Should be good.
Yeah.
Maybe another one too.
Yeah.
Right along. Oh yeah, because it curves, eh?
Yeah.
But if I hold it like this, probably here.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully this works. Wait, no. Yeah, right there. Oh, shit. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Wanna drill this one a bit more then?
Aye.
So, just slowly. Keep going. Keep going.
I don't want it to.
Oh,
deter.
okay.
Yeah. Yes. That's one side. Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Damn. Okay. Another one. Down. Perfect. Push. Yeah, push that one in. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's good.
Split this stuff.
Sweet.
Damn! Oh, it looks way better.
We did it.
We fitted this part good. Look, it actually is on. Yeah. Looks way better. Okay, so fitment isn't necessary right now, but it looks really good. Like, check that out, man. See, some fitment is off, but progress. Yeah. Thomas is gonna get a S13 or 180 soon.
Yeah.
So look out for that. We're gonna start working on his soon. Oh damn, I'm so happy with how this turned out. Look at that. It looks better. It just looks more lower, like it evens up well. See this? See, because it looks lower now, so it evens up with the side skirt and the rear bumper as well, the rear lip.